Boys and girls, for the problem set, we want you to count on to add. So you're going to fill in the missing parts of the number sentence here based on your picture. So decide what goes in each box and then write your answer to "There are blank crayons all together." Hit pause and fill out number 1. Hit play when you're ready. Okay, letter B. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to fill out each part of your number sentence and then answer the question to "There are a total of blank balloons." Hit pause, hit play when you're ready to move on. Letter C says blank equals blank plus blank. So use your picture to fill in the missing pieces of the number sentence and answer, "In all, there are blank pencils." Hit pause and solve that now. Hit play when you're ready. Okay, on the back, they want to know what shortcut or efficient strategy can you find to add. So basically, we just want you to use whatever strategy you can to get the correct answer for each of the number sentences.